today's video I'm going to walk you through how to close a Cowrywise Circle that is group savings. Now to do that, you click on save. Then here you should see the circle that you've saved them. Now the reason you don't see mine is because I have not invested in any circle. I didn't save in any circle, so that is why you will not see mine. But for you that you have invested in a circle, you have saved in a circle, you will see yours. Now if the circle has matured, that is a reached circle date, you just tap on the circle. You see an option to withdraw or roll over the funds. You just choose withdraw funds, which your money will be moved to the stash first. This is your stash. Then from stash, you then transfer to your bank account right here. Note, for a collection type circle, only the admins creators can initiate withdrawals, and all members have to approve before the money can enter your bank account. Now if the circle hasn't matured, well, your options are to either increase the maturity date or withdraw whatever is available at that moment. But that also depends on the circle settings. If the circle settings doesn't allow for the withdrawal, then you cannot withdraw at all. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.